walk in the park, Rockville Zulu section, Rea Vaya rank there, and Old Porch Road, so-called Chris Hani, or now called Chris Hani, the area where we used to sit to watch big screen around, or those who sat there to watch 2010 World Cup. Alright, Thokoza Park was constructed by Bure, and then it was renovated later into democratic South Africa around year 2000, and it was beautiful before, it is beautiful after. It's just that for the passing several years it is no longer as well kept as it were before. Alright. That's the rivulet from Snawan and even from CWG. That's Rockville Zulu section. That's Rockville Eitendeni, and then we're further up the road on the other side of Elka Stadium is Rockville Sotho section. Alright. Always beautiful. I love walking through here. Alright. I'm coming from a Bara, so I'm going to Snawan. So I'm coming from Bara. Nice, ne? Always beautiful. I think ngihlahle ukuthi njalo mangifika la, or rather usuke ngisike ngiye ngalo eBara kube usuku ukuthi liguqubele. Ngiyazibongela uNkulunkulu because that helps me ukuthi ilanga lingangishisi. Alright. So njalo ngifika la kule park inhle kanje kube kuhle kakhulu manje ukuthi nje izithombe azibi best uma ushutha liguqubele. Alright. Now umgaqo yadube ngetaxi. Hey, ama-taxi angapha cheap kakhulu, and they hardly itaxi ngeke ngagibela ecala. I wonder benza imali ngani labantu, because hayi angiliboni ibhizinisi ngapha kusetshenziswa abantu bakhona ngazi kwenzakalani. This route kuma route engihambile is more like the poorest route. Alright, in terms of passenger traffic, and ngasikhathi itaxi from lapha eSinawa dot Club 702, which is as good as Orlando East, imalini ke bokuyi-12 rand. Angazi nje aqeda ukukhuphuka ama-taxi. Thina kwisikline yaseMerafi bayasigegebula, kodwa ababoni bethuthuka. Kudala besichaphaza abantu esibathandayo from STH to STS, babesichaphaza ngisho nangokugibela ukuthi kusekhona ikort renki, benganandaba nathi, kodwa kuyithi insika zabo. Ama-taxi abo azofika nje ngabo 7, ama-taxi asaphela early eJohannesburg. Thokuthi ngama-Friday ngibuya e-gym, bengibuya late eCarlton Gym. Uthola ukuthi ama-taxi aloku angena alandelana lapha kukorti, bathi bona bonke baya ePimville. Thina sixakeke. Saqala kudala ukungahlonipheki thina esibahloniphayo, yabo. Impilo yomuntu omnyama injalo, because when you are obedient and respectful, awuhlonishwa, uyadeleleka, uyaqhashazwa. Even in life, hence thina abalandela umthetho ke nokuhlonipha uNkulunkulu, we're nowhere to be seen in terms of prosperity and success. Abantu ababribeayo, abazalwana ababribeayo, they are prosperous, and at least all we need to do is say, angithi you bribe and then ntambama bese uyathandaza uNkulunkulu uthi ungixolele uNkulunkulu. That's it. Alright. So I'm not very sure ukuthi thina suke singabribe ngaliphi, kodwa ke we don't. Anso le ndlela eya lapho nephuma shosho. Then mawuya ngapha uya eSinawane, nangaphi lapha engihamba ngakhona uya eSinawane. Le red roof i-Assemblies of God yakhula kanjalo 1992 makuba nemvuselelo, the pouring down of the Holy Spirit. But babuye badivide abazalwane, abanye baphuma la bayokhandela inye isonto ngale. Mawudlula lapha eShell Garage, ngikhohle igama la sonto lela, baphuma la e-Assemblies. So sebe yi-ministry thizeni. Angithi bayaxabana-ke abazalwane, sihlezi xabana ungakhathazeki. Okay, Moroka Dam there. Okay, this side was always the bomb. It was always the most wealthiest side. They really had, but even that side was always wealthy. But yeah, ngapha nje bokunalezi indlu lezi ngokwe standard phela sama 80s late 70s or 70s as well. uMamlala florist wayevele florist yayiyinhleke kusekhona yena. I don't think usaphila mhlawumbe selaguga. Alright, it was very beautiful florist, so I guess sekekhulile. Still Rockville Zulu section, Rockville Idenden. I've got a video about this area, so let me not repeat. That's the mini dam. Naku singakwazi edlamini enxa ye Rockville. Okunje Rockville akujwayelekile. Rockville bokuyisabab. Abanje base Mozambique asibajwayele. Kusho ke ukuthi iRockville ine deterioration thizeni. Because hayi kusemasababa emasababa. Awubaboni abo Mozambique ebo lendle ukuthi inde kanjani. Yakudala 70s was these houses were there, so Sikuti it was exactly a suburb. Suburb. Alright. That's it. Yeah, video in Rockville the other time. I'm not redoing that. Okay. That's it. What would be from Rockville Sotho section? Right, it has Zulu section, Rockville stands. La Papambili Sotho section. It things like Krisha must fell Papambili evil. Because on the previous video, especially the purple one, 1979, it used to have white tourists, a full bus, 60 something tourists, had wonderful gardens there. Check the architecture, contemporary architecture of the early 70s, because in 1979 these houses were already here. So check how advanced black architects in the 70s already were. See, suburban, say Zulu section, and then Zulu section. Okay, angazi Rockville wasebelahlala idodi kanje, and abantu laba baseLimpopo waye bengathini. And then Rockville Zulu section, Rockville stands, tourism house of the 1970s. I don't know what happened, but they should have prospered from there. But the Rockville people allowed themselves to be ANC. How an entrepreneur becomes an ANC even in 1985 doesn't make sense. Alright, actually it was then. Alright, so alright, bese ke nansi yaphelela la ilento iRockville Zulu section. Lapha ya okusese iRockville yase i-extension yeRockville leyo, because ihlobo zasekhaya zakwami yahlala ngalapho. Le phezulu isejabulani lapha phezulu. But ngapha ngemuva nje just immediately ukuthi akubonakala, but nje ngapha ngemuva i-White City. Izindlu lezi hayi konje babethi izindlu ezinjani lezi eziyi-concrete ngaphezulu. I love those houses. So but okay ke kaba i-extension encane nje yeZulu section leya, but lapha ya iSotho section, Rockville Sotho section. The Rockville Sotho section ihamba izifika eSinawan kwayona, nale iRockville stands ihamba izifika eSinawan. Le iRockville Zulu section ihlangana nani neWhite City ngale ngemuva. Alright, ihlangana neWhite City le. Ayike mahlangana neWhite City akubugebengu ngale. Alright. streets of Rockville, the original suburb of Soweto. I-Rockville njengoba ibona ikanje khona izindlu ezintsha njengaleyo, but zaziyinkulu but zingasile architecture. This one is new architecture lesijwayele common ichapha-ke iyangiyanyisa. I hate unless it is an estate, then I appreciate the similarity of design. But nje ngiyathanda i-freestyle makuwe ama-township emalokishini kanje umuntu nomuntu ashaya into yakhe, except for estates. But ke yonke into iyafaneleka ngokwendawo ke mhlawumbe. I don't know, but I don't like izindlu masezifana kakhulu unless it's an estate. But ke that is Rockville saseyithokoza park le mfudlana yahlangana from Jabulani CWG yasisinaweni yonishona le so la siqala yini le section angithi abantu be-ANC banikezane i-territory so it is run by a cabal, all right, of ANC folk like abo Ivan Khoza, abo baku Arthur Mafokati uye obeke la, so rana into istebele samahashi, you know. So iy'tende nje ANC does not do land redress. The expropriation has got nothing to do with redress, but to do with Ramaphosa and his foreigners conquering the land of South Africa by fronting the foolishness of black natives who seemingly came here. Black natives of South Africa sezala okuzolwela ukuba united with Africa, the Africa which comes to siphon us and destroy us. I mean, nama-drugs wonke la aphampa yileyo Africa leyo. Bonke ke labantu abathathe lezi ikhala kwesi abumakabo Arthur Mafokati. These are not natives of South Africa. These are people who are of Mozambican origins. So Mafokati Mozambican, and then Abu Ivan Khoza Mozambican, you understand? And then those are the cabals that we have in this country who are running South Africa. So in essence, we are colonized by different levels, or in different levels. The top colonialism is that of white DA and Jewish DA colonizers, and then followed closely, or rather partnered with, the Islamic, Arab and Indian colonialism, all right. And then parallel to a lower level, the next colonialism is that of black foreigners who are colonizing us. Because, yeah, I'm a South African about Ivan Khoza, but they clearly know what they are of Mozambican origins. All right, so their priorities are their people. That is why borders are open and the likes. This design, that's the original house which came up with that design. It has been there since the 1980. It was already there, the design. At least in the 80s, it was already there. The yellow house, like I said, it was not this design. It was an old design, and it had a swimming pool. So the house that was famous for having a swimming pool. So it was suburban. All right. So, but by say Rockville, they kind of like were colored. So these were Basotho who had mixed with white people in the past, say maybe in the 1920s, and produced colored-looking Basotho, very beautiful people. All right. So there was close relations, I remember, between Basotho and the English since the 1800s. Hence, the Basotho assisted the English to fight with the Zulus in the Battle of Isandlwana. That one is new. That one's new. All right. So now Table is a marsh. I think it's visible from the side. Obaba Arthur Mafokati the Mozambicans. They are the cabals that are running Soweto. So these are the silent masters behind whatever the ANC is doing. As such, let's call them the Black Stellenbosch. Just like the white Stellenbosch is a Stellenbosch of foreigners, they too are a Black Stellenbosch of Sowetans and people from Alexander who do have serious animosity and attitudes against the Zulu nation particularly. And yeah, they are running Black South Africa. The townships and everything, they are run by them via many systems that actually are used to run taxi. Township areas. Township have got systems in place to sabotage those who don't belong to the cabal. Whether you are running a very small business or a large enterprise, if you are not associated or affiliated with them, they will destroy you. Right? Bayajala, sort of like a florist, all right. So these are the people who abathatha ikhala abazenze zabo, and therefore you must comply with their silent systems, otherwise they destroy you, sabotage you. So they are the Black Stellenbosch. All right. Now Leandlela, and then in upper Rockville Sotho section is continuing. Bese maqhubeka ngendlela lapha phezulu sekuba yini yemolapho yivundla drive le sibuya kuNtuli ovundla. All right, say Rockville end. All right, let's see video because I'm not trying to redo what I did previously. Then Seguba Aircar Cricket Stadium, everything, it's here. Thank you.